Well, we're back. It's Crypto Big Boss. Folks, every time I think I've seen it all, here we go again. And this time, this is starting to get painful, to be honest with you. We have another dog coin, meme coin, crap coin, ShibaDoge. Okay? And it's up 5% today. I don't know what the price is. I don't know what this number is. Look at that. There's enough zeros in there that I don't even know what that is, okay? And look at this supply, okay? Look at this. 420 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 0.00 billion. What is that? I would love for somebody to tell me in the comments, what is this? Is this, I don't even know. We're past quadrillion now. I don't know what a petabill, I don't know what this is. Would somebody please tell me in the comment section what the circulating supply is for ShibaDoge? It's absolutely ridiculous that they're putting out these coins that are freaking, this is dumb. I don't even understand this. It's not making any sense to me. Okay, look at this. They come up with a couple of little graphics that look halfway cute. They got Elon Musk sitting up here looking crazy. Public sale is live. Public sale mint. Join our Discord. Then they make a little plea to you talking about the first community driven token created by Shiba and Dogecoin. Wells are coming for the greater good of both, coming together. What is this, man? What is this? And here we go again. We got some tools that I guess it's on Uniswap, Telegram chat. You can go read about it on Twitter. You can buy it on Hobbit. You've got some liquidity lock here. And then they got your little coin. And then here we go again. Token supply that's so freaking large, I don't know the number. Okay, I'm looking forward to somebody telling me that's gonna make my day. Somebody please tell me what this number is. Okay, it's too freaking many coins. Then they talk about bringing together two mortal enemies that are for the great. They're not mortal enemies. They're not mortal enemies. What is this? Agenda for the coming event. So this must be their way forward, right? Here's their launch. Okay, they're gonna go Telegram, Twitter, build out, pre-launch marketing, stealth launch in December, Etherscan. They got their DEX tools, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing. That's all done. 750 holder target. 5 million stablecoin. What is this, man? Stage 1, retain proven marketing agency, retain public relations agency, Instagram build out, DEX tools, CoinGecko trending, CoinMarketCap trending. Come on, man. 2,500 holder target. Okay, now they go to stage 2, 50,000 Twitter followers. This is what they plan on doing. This is what they want to do. Okay. So let's see if you can buy it on Uniswap. They're talking on wallets. They're talking about it's auto deflationary, and here they are talking about how you can buy it. And then, of course, here they are talking about ETH to MetaMask, Connect Swap. Okay, go on with your bad self. Doge Army NFT collection. Okay, let's click on to find out more. I'm just gonna click on and see if it goes somewhere. Yeah, it actually does go somewhere. Public mint sale, I hate to say it, it's probably going to go up 10 times in value. It probably is, because people just don't know where to turn and when to turn the YouTube off. You just draw a couple of graphics that look like it's something, and the next thing you know, you throw 10,000 NFTs out there, and boom. We're doing something. This might do something. I don't know. I don't know when this is going to get old. When is it going to get old that anybody can come up and draw a handful of graphics in the afternoon and publish it on their, on OpenSea, and then go over here and create a bogus coin, and then write the same thing that everybody else has written on their website and call it a day, and see if we can get the market cap up. Let's go here and see. Oh, they claim that the market cap is $49 million. Man, we need to just go. You know what? If there's anybody interested, I wonder if we can do an experiment. What we need to do is just go out here and make ourselves a bogus coin and put it out here and generate a couple of NFTs. Somebody sit down and make a couple of NFTs, and spray them up there on OpenSea, and let's see if we can do the same thing. So I don't know if people are just going to continuously pay this kind of money. Maybe we're all in the wrong business. Maybe we all need to figure out how to put something on OpenSea and go ahead and make a bogus coin, put it up on PancakeSwap, put it up on Uniswap, call it a day. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.